If you need to recover your Liberty Mutual account but don't have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the Liberty Mutual website. Go to the official Liberty Mutual website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you don't have access to your email, select an alternative recovery method. This may include answering security questions or using your phone number linked to the account. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. If you chose to receive a verification code via text, enter the code when prompted to confirm your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to complete the recovery process. Now you can log into your Liberty Mutual account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.